So meron po tayong tanong dito from Sir John, how can we retire comfortably here in the Philippines without worrying about running out of money? Very good question po. So ang reality po, marami po sa ating mga Pilipino, we think that relying on our SSS or GSIS pension is enough na daw for our retirement years. But the reality is, yung small pension amount na marireceive natin from these pension plans might not cover all the expenses na kakailanganin natin during our retirement years, especially with the rising cost of living and because of inflation na rin po. Retirement isn't just about saving money, but making sure that your money grows and works for you, even while you are sleeping. So gusto po natin na mag-retire tayo without worrying kung ano yung pambili natin ng groceries, pambayad natin sa mga bills, pang travel expenses natin, or of course, yung healthcare requirements natin in our retirement years. Tama naman po, di ba? So ang kailangan po natin gawin is magkaroon tayo ng solid plan kung paano natin gustong i-celebrate or enjoy ang ating retirement years in the future. So let me share to you some tips on how we can take action para pumaplano natin yung comfortable lifestyle natin during our retirement years. So first po is we invest beyond our pension. So we don't rely on our SSS or GSIS contributions, but we also have to make investment decisions and invest sa iba-ibang mga investment instruments. So pwede po kayo mag-invest sa mutual funds, sa stock markets, sa real estate, or even cryptocurrency, kung ano po yung level ng information po na alam natin from these investment vehicles, doon lang po tayo mag-invest. Kung po tayong pumasok sa isang investment na hindi tayo sure, prenamisan lang tayo ng ganitong potential earnings pero hindi naman natin talaga alam on how it works. So doon lang po tayo pumasok sa may idea po talaga tayo. And of course, depende rin sa risk profile ninyo kung anong gustong level ninyo na mag-grow yung money ninyo in the future. So with this, you will have multiple sources of income during your retirement years. So talagang hindi na po tayo masyado mag-worry sa mga expenses natin in the future. So next ko po na tip is we have to start as soon as possible. Kasi ang reality po dito sa Pilipinas, marami po sa atin ang nagsisave na ng too late na. Kasi ang mindset natin is that matagal pa naman yan, so marami pa akong oras to do that. Pero one day, magigising na lang tayo, 10 years na dumaan, 15 years na dumaan sa pagkatrabaho natin, wala pa pala tayong nasimulan. Kaya naman, let's break that cycle and change that mindset. And the earlier we start, the more time na meron yung money natin na mag-grow higher and higher. So while we are in our earning years or even in our good health condition po, so doon ang magandang time talaga na mag-start na. And kahit naman po mga small contributions lang, magsimula lang tayo sa 1,500 na mag-invest tayo into something or 2,000. Paunti-unti lang, we can actually increase naman yan as our income grows as well para mas malaki din yung potential na growth ng inyong retirement fund in the future. Next naman po is we have to plan for our healthcare costs. Kasi ang reality din is that medical expenses can be a huge burden during our retirement years. And marami po sa audience natin, may mga retired employees na rin. So I believe na nakaka-relate tayo sa situation na to, For us na may chance pa talaga or may time pa, to prepare for that, we have to make sure na meron tayong health protection plan in place para during our retirement years, kung kailanganin man natin ng medication fund, hospitalization fund, hindi ito manggagaling sa inyong savings, kundi from this instrument, from this health protection plan na sinimulan nyo during your younger years. So there you have it. Those are the tips po na aking share sa inyo on how we can retire comfortably dito sa ating bansa. So for those po na wants to retire comfortably and imagine themselves having a comfortable lifestyle in the future, then we have to take action now and craft or make a solid financial plan specifically for your retirement fund requirements. So you know naman po how to reach me, and if you're interested, then I'm just a message away always.